If you're seeing the OneDrive error that says not enough space, don't worry. This is usually caused by either a full OneDrive cloud storage account or not enough free space on your computer's hard drive. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step so you can get your files syncing again without confusion. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, we need to check your computer's available disk space. Open File Explorer, then click This PC. Here, look at your C drive and check how much free space you have left. If the drive is nearly full, OneDrive may not have enough room to download, sync, or temporarily store files on your PC. A good rule is to keep a healthy amount of free space available so Windows and OneDrive can work properly. If your storage is low, the next step is to free up some space. Open folders like Downloads, Videos, Documents, or any other large folder you know contains files you no longer need. Delete anything unnecessary, especially old installers, duplicate files, large videos, or temporary files taking up space. After that, don't forget to empty the recycle bin, because deleted files still take up space until the bin is cleared. Then go back and check your free space again to see if it improved. Now let's free up space directly from OneDrive files. Open your OneDrive folder in File Explorer and look for large files or folders that you don't need stored locally all the time. Right-click the file or folder, then choose Free Up Space. This is a very useful option because the file stays in your OneDrive cloud storage, but it gets removed from your local device, which can instantly relieve storage pressure on your computer. Another important fix is to make sure Files on Demand is turned on. This feature allows OneDrive to keep files online instead of downloading everything onto your PC all at once. To do that, click the OneDrive cloud icon in the system tray, then click the gear icon and open Settings. Next, go to the Sync and Backup tab and turn on Files on Demand if it's available. Once this is enabled, OneDrive can save local storage by only downloading files when you actually open them. If you're still getting the error, you should also check your OneDrive cloud storage itself. Open OneDrive in your web browser and sign into your account. Then review your available storage. If your OneDrive cloud space is full, you'll need to delete some files from the cloud or upgrade your plan. Even if your computer has enough room, a full OneDrive account can still block syncing and cause this error to appear. At this point, most not enough space errors should be fixed. The key is to identify whether the problem is your PC storage, your OneDrive storage, or both. Once you free up local disk space, remove unneeded files, use Free Up Space, and turn on Files on Demand, OneDrive should have a much easier time syncing again. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the channel and lets you find more quick troubleshooting guides whenever Windows gives you an error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.